this is what I'm gonna show you. How I got this hairstyle. I think it's cute. It is definitely like my typical, is it? Like my signatures. I have like signature hairstyles, and if you've been with me, if you've been rolling with me, then you know I have like signature hairstyles that I kind of do over and over, just like a different design but the same joint over and over. Okay, so okay, hold on. Hello, hey lollies, what it do? I'm back with another hairstyle for you. Like, it's been a minute since I came on this channel, and I like literally did a hairstyle that only required my natural hair. Like, those that have been rolling with me for a minute, I used to do that when I first started my channel. I used to do hairstyles that it was just my natural hair. So, and excuse the look. I feel like I look mad weird because I could not find my makeup. I couldn't find my makeup, and I saw these lashes on the floor. I'm not gonna hold you, so please pray for my eyeballs. I saw these lashes on the floor. I can't find my mascara, and my face been breaking out. So I mean, you know, I'm just a hot ball of mess when it comes to the face, but it's okay. We here for the hairstyle, right? Okay, so it's been a minute since I did a hairstyle on my natural hair, and my hair is not as thick as it used to be, but it's alright. We still gonna work with it. We're gonna work with it. We're gonna do what it do. The show must still go on, right? Okay, cool. So if you like this hairstyle, then keep watching because we about to get into it.
Okay, ooh, here we are with the rundown twist. Now, I did not put heat on my hair. I washed it, I put it in these twists, pinned it up, and let it air dry. So that's what we're working with right now. I'm going to part my hair, section it off the front from the back, and we're going to start working in the back. I'm going to do mini twists or small twists, whichever. They come out looking like minis on my hair because my hair is kind of like medium fine, more on the fine side than the medium side. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. This is a product that I will be using for my hair, and I just got that product. I was just like, oh, let me try it out, because usually I use like Shine Jam for my roots and then mousse to twist my hair. But I wanted to try that and see how it works out, and it was cool. Yeah. Now, y'all already know this is an old video. This is old. Like, I haven't uploaded on this channel in a minute. I am so sorry. So sorry. I know I'm not gonna even give excuses, because how many times have I uploaded and then disappeared? Too many times. Okay, so no excuses this time. But this is an old video. I don't even think my hair is this length anymore. It may be a little tad bit longer, because let me tell y'all that my hair went through it. Okay, y'all already saw that my hair was going through it. It was a lot thinner, and I couldn't figure it out. We kind of summed it up as stress, because it is a lot thicker than it was in previous videos that y'all seen on the channel already. Like, I came back, I did a flat iron, and my hair was like paper thin. I know y'all seen that video. If y'all didn't, go check it out. It was on the channel. Y'all can't miss it. Y'all go through the videos, y'all can't miss it. It's just like see-through hair. Like, my hair was paper thin. So this is kind of like me getting back on a recovery. This video is showing like almost like recovery stage, and my hair is starting to get some weight to it. You know what I'm saying? Get some thickness to it. And I didn't do nothing besides just like really stop stressing stuff as much as I can. Like, I'm not gonna be like I'm completely stress free, but the goal is not to be stressing out on stuff that I cannot control, and control stuff that I can, and just be thinking positively about everything and try to roll with the punches. When I tell you depression will kick your butt, yeah, and the effects will not just affect your mindset, it will affect your body, your health, your hair, everything. I'm telling you, everything. So that's a work in progress for me. So we did the twist in the back. I ain't need to really run y'all through that. Do whatever size twist y'all want in the back if y'all going, you know, do this hairstyle. Now for the front, it's basically free for all too. You could do whatever hairstyle you want to do in the front. You don't have to do my hairstyle. It's just cornrow braids with twisted ends in the front. Now, This side I'm showing you guys because this side never changed, but as the video go on, you're gonna see me change up my hairstyle because I wasn't feeling it. I was trying to mimic a hairstyle that I did before, but I realized that I made the section in the front that I'm working on now, the braided section, that is too wide. Like when I first did the hairstyle, it was a lot narrower, it was a lot shorter. I didn't have too much hair in the front to cornrow, but this time I was doing too much. So yeah, but for the most part, I'm gonna let you go ahead and watch. I'm gonna come back when I feel it's needed and go ahead. Okay, so yeah, this was the hairstyle I was trying to imitate. Just a different design, but it didn't go as planned as I previously said. So I'm gonna go ahead and breeze past this part. You're gonna see what it looks like in a few seconds because I end up taking this out after a few days of having it in. I was just not feeling it. You know how like you keep a hairstyle in and think like, oh, it's gonna grow on me, I'm just bugging. Like the first initial reaction, I'm bugging, it's gonna grow on me. No, it didn't.
Not really feeling this, so we're gonna try again.
So that's exactly what I did. I took half of that out and we're gonna go ahead and detangle, moisturize, all of that good stuff, and then I'm going to twist up this portion of my hair. Now after I do these few twists, I'm showing you the application process. Basically, I put the cream throughout the whole hair and I twist down. Oh yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn that bell notification on so you get notified when I upload videos, because I will be uploading videos. I am back, you heard? I'm back. So videos will be coming to this channel. I'm going to try not to disappear on you guys again, okay? Like, show me some love and I'm going to deliver the love of my creativity. Then I decided to section off where I want my mini 2-strand twist to stop. So I just go ahead and did that and then continue to twist that section up so I can start my cornrows. So this cornrow was already in. We just gonna go ahead and retwist it to give it some new life, you know what I'm saying? So I'm cornrolling and then I'm gonna twist the ends down and I'm gonna follow that same type of pattern. Like the same pattern my hair was kind of going in from initial braids, that's what I'm following now, and that's basically the design. Now I said every time I do a hairstyle, I said do it the way you want to do it, switch it up. This is just inspiration. I always say that. Even on my newer channel that I have, which is more for crafting and stuff like that, I say the same thing. My work is inspiration. The same way somebody inspired me to do this, I'm doing this to inspire you. It does not have to be completely the same. If you like it and you want it to be completely the same, cool. That's why I made the video. But you can just take this video for inspiration and do something close to what you're capable of doing. And as long as you like it, that's all that matters. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just like literally whatever I'm thinking, however it's a parted, that's just how I'm parting it, and I'm calling it a day. So I'll let you continue to watch because everything is kind of self-explanatory while watching the video. So enjoy. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. Just twist your body to mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. So this is the last braid, and Shorty's hype. Like, I automatically like it. So yeah.
I should have did this the other day. I was playing. Now I got old mixed with fresh twists and braids and stuff, but I don't care. I'm gonna still take my pictures. I'm going to still, you know, do my face on that clip. Boom.